Hi, my name is Tracy Clark. Welcome to my presentation on Reflections of Attitudes, presented by Colorado Christian University. We're going to first take a look and define what attitude is. It is a predisposition or a tendency to respond positively or negatively towards a certain idea, object, person, or situation. Summed up, it is a reflection of our self-image. We're going to find out how is it developed. Attitudes are learned over time through reinforcement and models. An example would be expectancy, which consists of value model and metacognitive model. What can it do? Attitudes influence an individual's choice of action and responses to challenges, incentives, and stimuli. It also involves a significant part of our mental life because they affect feelings, beliefs, and behaviors, which is known as the three-component model. Attitude of our self-image is an important term for both social and humanistic psychology. The discovery has been called one of the most important discoveries of the century. We're going to take a look at and observe my attitude, which includes my mood, feelings, and behavior for today. My overall reflection of my attitude changed throughout the day by becoming more and more exuberant. We're going to take a look at reasons why my attitude changed. I woke up feeling good about myself. Others complimented me on looking good at church. I had the opportunity to bless people I love by taking and paying for their lunch. My time after lunch was spent by getting things organized at home and errands done. I accomplished working on school assignments to be able to work ahead. By spending quality time on school, it is achieving far above my expectancy for my grades than I ever thought. I've always told my kids, the more time you put into something, the better the results you will get. And there is a lot of truth to that. And the last, just knowing how blessed I am at the end of this day. My value is determined by what I make of myself, both physically and emotionally. If I will take the steps to change my self-image, which includes my attitudes, I will have a better life. We're going to take a look at some functions that helps an attitude. Impression management. Presenting the right popular attitudes to others and gratitudes us and also increases the likelihood that the other person will form a favorable impression of us. Organized complex social world. Enables us to interact with it without having to reevaluate the same target or situation each time we encounter them. Self-expression. It can boost our self-image as we consider them the right ones to have. Increased connection with similar others who share similar attitudes. The Bible is most concerned with promoting righteous attitudes that serve the ultimate end of loving God and our fellow humans, rather than attitudes toward different earthly pursuits. The Scriptures admonish us to have negative attitudes toward every manner of evil that separate us from God and one another, including pride, arrogance, and injustice. We're going to take a look at some scriptures that reference attitudes. To fear the Lord is to hate evil. I hate pride and arrogance, evil behavior, and perverse speech. Found in Proverbs 8:13, New International Version. Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is just, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is commendable, if there's any excellence, if there's anything worthy of praise, think about these things. What you have learned and received and heard and seen in me, practice these things, and the God of peace will be with you. Found in Philippians 4:8-9, New International Version. And have put on the new self, which is being renewed in knowledge, after the image of its Creator. Found in Colossians 3:10, New International Version. Thank you for taking the time and watching my presentation.